Hi everyone! The purpose of this introduction video is to help teachers gain an understanding of the technology that will be implemented during hybrid learning. Teachers will be using the following technology equipment during hybrid learning: a teacher desktop computer, a teacher Chromebook, a ViewSonic monitor, a document camera, and a Movo microphone. Thanks to our hardworking IT department, all of this equipment will be set up for you in your classroom. This piece of equipment is where your Chromebook, document camera, and an extra monitor will be stationed. All of this technology will allow you to interact with your virtual students. You can see your virtual students on the large monitor via Google Meet, as well as monitor your virtual students via GoGuardian on your Chromebook. If you have been working with a dual monitor to teach virtually, this is the same exact idea. The last piece of equipment I want to point out is the document camera. This is how your virtual students will see you clearly, while also allowing you to use your smartboard or move freely in front of the classroom for your students learning in person. Your teacher desktop is the technology you will use to teach your lesson. Maybe you're using Google Slides or Pear Deck or Nearpod to teach your lessons. Or maybe you have smart notebook files saved on your desktop that you want to use in your lesson. First, you will join Google Meet from your teacher desktop, and then you will present your screen, which allows your virtual students to see your presentation, and your in-person students will see the same presentation on the smartboard. Think of the teacher desktop as your home base or mission control, because your teacher desktop is how both your virtual students and your students in person are being taught the same lesson simultaneously. Please know that your teacher desktop is the only computer that connects to your smartboard. Another new piece of equipment you will see in your classroom is a Movo microphone. This will be used so that your virtual students can hear you as well as anyone else in the classroom. Please know there is a mute button on the actual microphone if needed. The speakers in the classroom will allow you and your in-person students to hear your virtual students. Both of these pieces of technology allow all students to continue collaborating and learning from each other, regardless of whether they are in person or virtual. Let's review. As you can see, this is the teacher Chromebook. The teacher Chromebook is viewing and managing GoGuardian. The teacher Chromebook is also connected to your monitor above. The monitor above will be showing your Google Meet. All of your students you will be able to view on this monitor. In addition, you're also going to be using a document camera. The document camera is going to be how your students see you. And then the next piece of equipment that you will be using is your teacher desktop. The teacher desktop is the only computer that can connect to the smartboard. On your teacher desktop, you will be displaying your slides or your lesson. You will also be connecting with your students through a Google Meet, and you will also have your document camera hookup connected to this teacher desktop. In addition, when you have students in person and virtually, this microphone will be used for audio in the classroom, and your students at home will also be able to hear you. Once again, here is the big picture. Hopefully, this introduction video has helped you gain an understanding of the technology that will be implemented during hybrid learning. Additional details and support are forthcoming.